All right, so next up we're going to be working through our adductor range of strength drills. So the first one's going to be a standing adductor good morning. So essentially we're replicating a good morning, but we're doing it in a straddle stance so we can focus on creating range of strength through our adductors. So to get in the game for this one, we're just going to try and get our hands to the floor. So take your feet as wide as you need to and just try and get your hand to the floor. You can either spend some time down there or you can go through, say, 10 reps. Early on, you might have to use your hands to sort of hold your body weight off the floor. As you get better and more developed in this, we're going to go down and we're trying to just hover off the floor and use our strength through our hamstrings and adductors. So now it's a strength through range and we can use our body weight to pull ourselves back up. So if you can start to do that, obviously you're going to have much stronger adductors and hammies. The next one, we're going to go elbows across, try and get our elbows to floor, so a bit more range of motion now. You can see there's going to be a lot of stress through his adductors and his hamstrings. If you wanted to, you could fight flexion, so you can keep a nice neutral spine, and this is really going to fight. Or if you want to use it more like a stretch, you can just relax into the stretch and allow gravity to pull you down. The last one is, we'll see how he goes, trying to get his head to the floor and chucking his hands out the back. So you can, same thing, just allow your gravity to pull you down into that stretch. And then obviously if you do some reps, you're contracting and pulling yourself back up. So you're really creating a lot of force production through a large range of motion here, which means you're going to be injury free.